Canadian aerial support. I'm fascinated with this company, and I'm with Patrick. Patrick, this is wonderful. Thank you for allowing us into your space. I want to talk to you about this. You said, you know what? You need to have a master idea, a master control of taking a control and moving the drones around. Because, you know, initially it looked like fun. Oh, it's just easy.
That's right.
You really have to know what you're doing here, and
Very
you
much
supply
so.
the teaching and the instruction. Let's talk about the company.
Absolutely. Aerial Support is Ottawa's largest and oldest training provider. We've been doing this since the beginning in 2017, I'm thinking. And of course, we offer the Transport Canada certification. You see, flying a drone is not at all unlike driving a car, is that you need a permit. So the permit is very much the written test. And then do you remember the part when you got your license, when you did the road test with the fellow with the clipboard?
Oh, yeah.
I'm that fellow. Yes, for in the air. But I smile a lot, so if that counts. But so we will gladly do the Transport Canada certification, show you how to fly, get you your document, and that's fine. But then, almost without fail, people come to us the next day and say, Patrick, that's nice that I know how to fly one of these drones, but it's not for the fun of flying. I need to do some work with this. So whatever the work may be, and which drone you might be using, it might be, for example, inspections or videography. Photography is very popular. It might be for surveys, mapping, precision agriculture. Farmers this has changed the world. But and we will gladly give you the training to be able to use that drone to your purpose. Specific
ideas, specific departments.
And you are right, Rosie, that, you know, there are some fun little drones like this one. The little guy, yes.
Oh my goodness, it's so tiny.
It is.
Yeah.
And this is probably one of the most intelligent drones. Don't let the size and the price fool you. This thing flies by itself and it follows you around. And then you put it in your pocket. Oh, yeah. I mean, you extend your hand and it flies in, it lands into your hand. So some of these are very intelligent and fun. But they're made for fun. They're not made to work. Sure. On the other hand, you get the bigger ones like this. This is our search and rescue drone. With this, we fly over forest and we look through a thermal camera to hopefully find someone that would be lost.
Okay, so search and rescue drone. Talk about the instruction that goes behind learning how to become certified in operating this drone. Yes. How much time are we talking about? Is it the bigger the drone, the longer it takes to learn how to operate it and be certified?
Yes.
What's the average time that we're talking about for certification?
In about a day, I can teach you how to pilot the drone. And in about a second day, I can teach you to do whatever you need to. After that, it might take you a long time to become an expert and to get all the practice, because that's what it is. It's all about control and technique. You see, search and rescue, I can show you how to fly this thing safely, but then how to fly over a forest and being able to spot something that's warm and being able to detect this is an anomaly. It's not supposed to be there in the forest, and might be what I'm looking for. So this is what we provide.
It's fascinating stuff. You must love your job.
Absolutely. Oh, I jump out of bed in the morning to do this.
You have your clipboard, you're testing them, but you do smile.
Yes, very much. All the time. Thank you, Rosie.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye now. Thanks.